Taking the COVID-19 vaccine, here are do's and don'ts. COVID-19 vaccine, here are some of the things you need to know. Some precautions that you should take before getting vaccinated. Before vaccination, in case a person has allergies to medication or drugs, it is important to get an all clear from a medical practitioner. A complete blood count, C-reactive protein or immunoglobulin E level can be checked under medical advice. People with diabetes or blood pressure need to keep this in check. Cancer patients, especially those on chemotherapy, must act on medical advice. People who have received blood plasma or monoclonal antibodies as part of COVID-19 treatment, or those who have been infected in the last 1.5 months, are advised not to take the vaccine right now. After vaccination, a recipient of the vaccine is monitored at the vaccine center itself to guard against any immediate severe allergic reaction. People are allowed to leave only after it has been ascertained that this is not the case. Side effects like pain at the infection site and fever are common. This is no reason to panic. Some other side effects like chills and fatigue might also be expected, but these go away in a few days. Important to note: vaccine teach our immune system how to recognize and fight an external threat. In this case, the virus that causes COVID-19, it typically takes a few weeks after vaccination for the body to build protection against the virus. This means that a person could still get infected by COVID-19 in the few days immediately following the vaccination, because the person would not have had enough time to develop immunity. Therefore, basically, precautionary measures must be followed even after vaccination. Face mask, hand hygiene, and physical distancing in public places must not be abandoned just because a vaccine has been taken. Cough, sneeze, etiquette also need to be followed. Thank you.